Hello, hey guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Mamasagri Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 25 hanggang December 31 for the sign of Aquarius. So Aquarius, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Tunay lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-lig-lig nag-uumapaw na biyayang manabalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Aquarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Aquarius signs ang ating mahagilap? So guys, himay-himayin natin at bubulabugin natin anong eksena sa iyo ng ating mga gabay ang ating mahagilap. So guys, let's see. Angel Spirit, let's give me an information pa for the sign of Aquarius. Okay, this is a page of something and intuitions, no? Maraming paalala, maraming mga bagay na pupasok sa iyong isipan. No, maaaring binibigyan ka ng paalala at babala, no, na kailangan mo mag-pay attention sa nangyayari sa paligid mo. There's something ambitions na unti-unti mo na makikita yung possibilities. No, kumbaga there's something creativity with your minds or either imagination kung tawagin. There's a 10 of Wands na reference with the burdens, no? There's a lot of obligation, responsibilities. There's the 4 of Pentacles with the saving money, no? Protect your power, protect your energy. Napangalagaan mo kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. Sa likod ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, kailangan marunong ka pa rin protection ng kung ano man yung meron ka, no? Kailangan hindi ka dapat nag-share ng thoughts basta-basta. And this is the chart card with kumbaga there's something actions and movement, no? Kapag kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw, no? There's something the Empress card for a revert, no? Magkakaroon ka ng panibagong eksena or second life, no? And this is something the Ace of Pentacles with a big shot and big money coming in for you. May malaking opportunities na darating sa'yo dito. And the Page of Cups represents the Queen of Cups, something and healing, no? Or there's something and information with a mother figure na maaaring pinaglalaroan ka. What is the 10 of Wands? Represent with the 7 of Cups, something confusion, no? May mga bagay na parang nahihirapan ka kung ano yung nangyayari behind your back. No, napakahirap, napakabigat na ng mga nararamdaman mo. The 4 of Pentacles, represent with the 10 of Swords. There's something sabotage, no? May nagsasabotahin sa'yo, no? Pangalagaan mo at protectionan mo yung mga bagay na meron ka, pinaghirapan mo, love life mo, kung ano man yung mga bagay na kailangan protectionan mo. There's something, the Chariot card represent the 2 of Swords. There's a decision that you need to make. Kailangan mo magdesisyon. No, kailangan mo ng kumilos. Now, there's the Empress. Mayroon ka ditong intuitions, guys. May gut feeling ka eh. Nagkaroon ka ng something, kumbaga, parang hinala. No, may hinala ka. And there's the Empress card represent the 3 of Pentacles. Now, there's something collaborations, no? Kumbaga meron ditong collaboration or something unity, no, maaring kumbaga there's a work on na para pinag-uusapan ka behind your back, gano'n. And the Ace of Pentacles represent the 8 of Pentacles. Kumbaga nire-represent dito guys with a big shot and big opportunity pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. No, kumbaga may malaking pera talaga ditong involvement. What is the Page of Cups? Ano kasi the Queen of Cups? Represent with the Judgment. Pinapaalalahanan ka na you need to pay attention. Now there is something Queen of Cups, something a mother figure here. No, maaring kumbaga pinaglalaroan ka dito guys, no, ng mother figure. And because there is something the 10 of Wands, and because the Queen of the 7 of Cups represent with the Sun card. Now there's a pure positive outcome, no? Maliliwanagan ka na behind your back kung ano yung nangyayari, no? Let's see what is the 4 of Pentacles because the 10 of Swords represent the 2 of Wands by choices, no? Kumbaga lilimitahan mo na lang pagbibigay ng mga impormasyon. So let's see what is the Chariot card because the 2 of Swords. There's a decision that will represent with the 2 of Pentacles with a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance eh. Now, there's something, a decision na kailangan mo na kumilos. Kailangan mo na mag-decide as of now kung ano yung kailangan mo talagang may isa katuparan. Kung ano talaga yung decision mo. Kung ano ba talaga yung gagawin mo. There's the Empress card because the 3 of Pentacles represent the Emperor. Now, there's something authority. Ikaw pa rin yung gagawa ng eksena. Now, parang naka-in charge ka sa situation. You are being a leader or something. a boss, no? Parang sinasabi dito, there's something na collaborations, kumbaga, get more information, marami ka pang bagay na dapat mang malaman dahil magkakaroon ka talaga ng bagong simula. Now, there's something a revert pa rin. And the Ace of Pentacles and the Eight of Pentacles represented with Three of Swords. There's something painful, no? Kumbaga, may mga taong inggit sa'yo, may mga bagay na nangyari sa from that, mas pagdating sa finances, maaring naloko ka, nabudol ka, or may maaring, kumbaga, may involvement na pera dito. What is the Three of Swords? Gusto ko malaman with the Eight of Pentacles and plus the Ace of Pentacles. Representative of, wag ka magtitiwala, yun pala. No, may lihim na agenda dito, kaya ka nakakaranas ng ganyan kasi may agenda about sa pera. Ooh, what is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is that everything is fine, no? Kumbaga, feeling mo okay ang lahat, feeling mo okay ang sitwasyon, there's a report of, so there's something intuitions, no? Hindi ka makatulog, hindi ka mapakali, dahil may mga gumugulo sa utak mo, and there's a report of once with a something celebration of homecoming. Now, there's a something twin flame energy with the Knight of Wands, for slowly but surely. Mahinahon daw eh. Mabagal man, pero malalaman mo pa rin yung rason o yung dahilan. There's a Seven of Swords, cheating, lying on you. May nagsisinungaling behind your back. There's a sneakiness. Talagang kumukuha ng information sa'yo. Or, there's something na nagsisinungaling na kasama mo. No? Let's see what is additional messages with the career and finances. So, this is a sign of something happiness. So, magiging masaya ka dito, magiging maligaya ka. And there's the lovers, represent with your love life, with your asawa, with jowa. And there's a higher fight for a lesson learned. Matuto ka na, ha? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na pinagdaanan ka na from the past, even sa relationship, maging masaya ka sa kung ano man na meron ka. And this is something magician. Oh my God, related about sa finances talaga, guys. No, maaaring there's something high five for something palipad na hangin. May gumagawa sa'yo. Related sa family, related mo. Oh my God. Additional messages kasi there's lovers. I don't know kung konektado ang asawa mo or konektado ang love life or something konektado ang relasyon. Additional messages about sa love life. Let's see. Pag may lumabas na devil dito, guys, no? Very wrong to. Grabe. And there's a Knight of Pentacles with a security. Maging secure ka sa kung ano man na meron ka. There's a Page of Swords. No, there's something spying, looking, watching at you. This is the Ace of Wands with something, a new project and new plans. So, ibig sabihin, marami pa kayong proyekto, marami pa kayong plano. And this is the Hermit card with the spiritual. Oh my God. This is something spiritual problem or something spiritual awakening. Parang minumulat ka about sa spirituality. Gusto ko malaman about dito with the Hermit card. And there's a hidden agenda talaga. Oh my God, there's something, a mystery pagdating sa love life. It's either gayuma to or either black magic involved. May gumagawa talaga sa'yo. And related talaga about dito sa about sa asawa mo or about sa, yun nga, it's either kapatid ng asawa mo or either asawa mo, no? There's something Page of Pentacles with an investment. Na parang about sa pera talaga, no? Related talaga. And then, there's a tower moment for a major changes. Malaki talaga ang pagbabago na magaganap. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Na pagdating sa health, there's a Five of Cups, so something disappointment and regret, no? There's a something doubt. No, kumbaga nagkakaroon ka dito ng panghihina ng kalooban, parang nahihinaan ka ng kalooban, and this is the Seven of Pentacles with a harvest time. So, may mga bagay na ma-harvest mo. So, ibig sabihin ko naman yung mga bagay na nararanasan mo dahil din sa sarili mo. Inabuso mo or either, kumaga there's something bounce back with the karma. And this is a Ten of Pentacles, no? May nangyari dito from something, family, no? There's something, parang balik, no? May balik din ako na sense dito. Additional messages with a Yin and Yang Oracle card. With a Yin and Yang Oracle card represent what? There's a third eye. There's a something clarity. Meron ka na talagang, nagkaroon ka na something intuition. There's a spy looking, watching at you. Kasi may sumasubaybay. Ibig sabihin na sa loob talaga ng tahanan ng gumagawa ng eksena sa'yo. I told you, this is something higher self. So, parang pinapakita dito na dapat matuklasan mo sa sarili mo to. And there's a self-love. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo, mahalin mo yung sarili mo dito, guys. So, let's see what is the synchronicities. Represent what? For synchronicities represent what? And there's a loss. No, may mga bagay na mawawala na. No, may mga bagay na maaalis na. There's a something child. No? Related, see, child and mother. Oh my God. No, there's a something, kumbaga may related with a mother and child. No, there's a something loss, and this is something, storm. Mayroon talagang pagsubok na papasok sa inyong pamilya. Oh my God. Gusto kong malaman tong with a mother and child. One more card, please. One more card for a mother and child. The star card, and of course, there's something, the moon card. Sabi ko na there's something truth reveal. Malalaman talaga, may something na related dito with the family related. Sabi ko na Okay. Okay, let's see. What is additional messages with the magical fairy messages? And there's a something express your individuality, no? Kumbaga, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo yung kahalagahan mo. And of course, yung sarili mo, no? Yung kakayanan at kaalaman mo. There's a something daughter. There's a something daughter talaga dito, guys. Mayroon dito parang sasalba sa eksena mo with your daughter, no? Let's see what is the romance angels represent what. There is a friends. There's an influence by friends. No, and this is something safety, no, comfort. Kumbaga magiging safety ka para sa. And there's a mask not showing the true self. So pagdating sa relasyon hindi pinapakita totoong siya. Na ibig sabihin there's a something fake. Fake yung pinapakita niyang eksena. So let's see what is Archangel Raphael messages. And there's a call upon Archangel Raphael for help. No, kailangan mo ng tulong na Archangel Raphael here para for healing. And then an exercise is the key. So kailangan mo na exercise. And there's a sunlight. Kailangan mo rin ng araw, ha. So ibig sabihin kailangan mo maarawan, kailangan mo magpapawisan. For Archangel Michael messages. And because this is something make a commitment. See, kumbaga mag-commit ka sa sarili mo or sa nangyayari sa iyo, no? Kailangan tutukan mo to a favorable outcome, papabor din sa iyong sitwasyon. And there's a believe and trust. Kailangan mo maniwala at magtiwala. Oh my God. So let's see what is the chakra messages represent what. And there's a vanity. There's a something pride and ego. Alisin mo yung pride and ego. And there's an acceptance. May mga bagay na unti-unti mo na matatanggap. And there's a wisdom, enlightenment. No? Oh my God. Maliliwanagan ka sa lahat na nangyayari na to. There's a something possible na may instinct talaga yung anak mo din. There's a gut feeling. And there's a let go. No? Kailangan mo nang i-let go to. And there's an author with something, an information, no? Na parang kumbaga ikaw yung magdidikta sa sarili mong pahina, parang ganon. No, ikaw yung gagawa ng something authority, you know? Additional messages. And there's a change, no? Unti-unti na mababago, hindi na mag-iiba. And there's a something guilt, no? Meron talagang galit at inis sa'yo to. What is the Monsology represent what? A win-win outcome forecast. Ipapanalo mo itong eksena na to. There's a prosperity lies ahead. See, kumbaga sinasabi dito, magiging matagumpay ka. Talaga nakikita dito na maaaring mangyayari na ang kasaganahan for you and at the right time, pero hindi pa sa ngayon. Now, there's a something unlikely and reconsider. Hindi mo magugustuhan ng eksena na to. Now, kailangan i-reconsider mo din yung mga nangyayari behind your back. Kung ano man yung mga taong nasa paligid mo na tutulong sa'yo, or either, maging aware ka din sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan mo. And there's a trust, no? There's a trust talaga. And there's a spirituality. Konektado talaga mo sa spiritual dito, guys. And there's a something choices, no? Pipili ka talaga, no? Ng mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo lang. For the energy, represent what? For the energy, represent for chakra, Raphael for healing. May healing talaga dito, guys. Now, and this is something adore to the romance. Nabukas ang pinto pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Pagdating sa romance, angels represent what? It's safe for you to love. No? Safe kapag nagmamahal ka dito. And forgive and learning. No? Kailangan mo matuto. At kailangan mo magpatawad. Parang ganon. Additional messages with an angel spirit. Represent lifting the veil. No, there's something questioning everything. Ang dami mong tanong, no? Bakit nangyayari sa iyo? Bakit anong eksenang ginawa mo? Bakit parang pinaparusahan ka ng eksena? And there's something wait, marunong ka maghintay. May mga bagay talaga na papanahon, may mga bagay na isang daan yan para sa para malaman mo yung mga nangyari from the past, or either para malaman mo yung kahalagahan ng mga nangyayari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. Na para makita mo kung yung mga bagay ba na ginawa mo it's good, no? Or eto na ba yung kumbaga consequences. For Jesus loving quote said, knock and shall be open to you. Pagbuksan mo ang ating Panginoon, kumakatok siya sa iyo. Gusto niyang lumapit ka sa Kanya, na parang pinapakita dito na kailangan mo magtiwala sa Kanya ng buong buo. For an angel's number, represent what? For an angel's number, represent what? Represent with 5554 change. Unti-unti na magbabago ang eksena with the clarity. See? Maliliwanagan ka na. You are not victim with the circumstances, rather you are a beneficiary of it. If that weren't cases, life would pretty dull. You will set yourself up for success into the long run. If you are willing to adapt to the ship, everything is working out for the best at long last. You are accomplishing what you set out to do. Everything will work out perfectly at the end. So see, kumbaga magiging matagumpay ka dito. Kumbaga this is a great transformation to yourself na parang kumbaga kailangan mo munang pagdaanan yan. No? Kailangan mo munang maranasan yan bago mo makita kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat mong malaman. Ganon. Kumbaga may mga paalala sa where there's something mystery of kingdom of God. No? Parang may nakatago pa na kailangan malantad. And this is something 0110 for belief system. May maling sistema. Go after what you want. At sinasabi dito, guys, you're blessed with the talent and skills that make it easy to you to stand out from the crowd. Embrace what make you different. That's your path to success. Your dreams will soon come true. So, magtatagumpay ka, baguhin mo lang yung sistemang kinagagalawan mo. May mali dyan sa eksena na yun, even your formula. No, yung formula, I mean, parang kumbaga, paano mo eksenahan yung nangyayari sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, magtiwala, kung paano mo ginagawa yung pang-araw-araw na eksena. May mali dyan eh. It's either may bisyo, may luho, or either meron ditong parang temptation, dahil may tukso. And of course, parang minasense din ako dito, guys, na parang greedy, no? Parang gano'n. It's either you or your first zone. Parang gano'n siya, guys. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Kumbaga, maging mahinahon ka sa pagkakatiwalaan mo. Masyado ka kasing open eh. Ito yung sinasabi maling sistema. Masyado kang tiwala. For the messages of life is achievement, no? Unti-unti mo yung kumbaga, unti-unti ka magtatagumpay dito. Now, there's a step by step towards the life. At sinasabi dito, as I advance on the road towards achievement, I discover greatest strength and learn from each challenges. I believe in my truest potential. Today, I have faith in my abilities and myself. I move forward towards the fulfillment of my vision. I reach my objective. I am courageous. I embrace life. I am always in a good company on this journey towards the light. Alam mo kasi, kaya ka nagtitiwala kasi parang piling mo kakampi mo lahat ng eksena. No, hindi mo alam meron pala diyang anay na susubok, no, na gibain, sirain, kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka. So guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of December 25 hanggang December 31 for the sign off. For the sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general, hindi lahat makaka-resonate, kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip na ads sa way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat po and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!